Territori Lo Podall is much more than a network of trails. It's a project born from the volunteer work of a group of friends who love our territory and mountain biking. We are a non-profit association. Everything you see here was made with our hands, with our tools, and with a lot of effort.
In the heart of the Pyrenees, a land shaped for cycling and created with soul. Here, every trail is crafted with care, laid out by hand, not machines, and always with deep respect for the landscape. Every detail matters, because everything here reflects the dedication of those who truly love this place. We want nature to be more than just the scenery. We want it to be the heart of the journey, the companion to every pedal stroke, the reason behind every route. We engage in dialogue with landowners, build agreements, and set up infrastructure to protect the ecosystem. We know every action has an impact, which is why we also work to balance it. We want our visitors to explore freely, respectfully, and to truly connect with the spirit of this land. That's why we promote sustainable mobility with services designed for everyone. And we think about the people who live here too, creating open and accessible spaces where people can grow through cycling and feel part of a community. Today, Territori Lo Podall offers over 150 kilometers of rideable trails and 200 single tracks. A top MTB destination, open to all levels and all ages. And every May, we celebrate it together with La Tampanada. More than just a ride. It's a party, a celebration of MTB, of the land, and of its people. Thanks to over 300 members, local institutions, and supporting businesses, this project keeps rolling strong. We're especially grateful to the municipalities of Tremp and Talarn, whose support helps this initiative grow and thrive year after year. And between meetings, trail work, and shared efforts, there's always time to pause and raise a glass together, because this project belongs to everyone, and it's through unity that it keeps growing. Territori Lo Podall was born from passion, a way of living and riding the land, where every turn tells a story and every trail becomes an experience. Territori Lo Podall, the MTB destination in the heart of the Pyrenees.